Hi friends, it's Renee with the DIY Day, and today I'm sharing a card I made for Valentine's Day. It's super easy and a kid-friendly project too. This card can be made in any color. I've decided to have an ombre effect and have 3 shades of pink. To start, measure each cardstock to 3/4 of an inch. And with a paper trimmer, cut the cardstock into strips. The amount of strips needed will vary depending on how large your heart is, but for mine, I needed 9 strips. Then, with scissors or shredding scissors, cut 3/4 of the cardstock strip, creating the fray. All of the strips should look like this. Now grab the heart you're working with. I'm using a foam heart from the dollar store, but you can use a hand-drawn one or print one from an online image. It's time to glue the fray. Place glue on the top quarter of the strip and glue it down to the bottom of the heart. Continue layering the strips until you get to the top of the heart. The last strip you'll do something a little different. With the last strip, be sure to add glue to the strip itself, but also add small amounts of glue to the fray. This is so the fray doesn't come off during the trimming process. Once the glue is dry, trim the fringe with your scissors to the shape of the heart. The heart should now look something like this. The fringe can be left as is, or you can fluff it up with your fingers. Let's attach the heart to a card base. I'm using a 5x5 folded piece of craft cardstock. And that is it. Thank you so much for following along. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe below. And for more craft ideas, please visit me on my website at thediyday.com. Thank you.